Hello friends. Today in this video we are going to discuss how to download multiple PDF files and show them in a WinForm using .NET. For example, we have this website, and in this website we can find previous year's joint entrance examination question papers from 2007 to 2024. uh, there are for every year we have two papers, so we have, if we have to do it manually, like we have to click here, it opens in a different tab, and we have to click here, browse a folder and save it, and we have to do it for each and every file, for every paper and for every year, so it will be a cumbersome process. So what we can do, we can create a .NET applications like this one, where we can give the base URL. Base URL means, you see this, if I click here, so as you see, this year is changing, and this for this now number one is for paper one or paper two. Like for paper two it will be _2, and for paper one it will be _1, but this portion is fixed for every PDF. So we can use that constant string as source, though it is, I have kept it as a text box value, but it is hard coded for this particular application. But this is a general process. It may be applicable for other website, for other PDFs, like, okay. So this is the thing. And now suppose you want to download them in a folder called PDFs in the C drive. You can also change it if you want. And as we have paper one, paper two, if both checkboxes are checked, both of them will be downloaded, or you can choose which one to download and which one not to download. And as we know, our papers are from 2007 to 2024. Here is a progress bar. So once that particular PDF for that particular year is downloaded, the progress bar will update. If there is some error, initially I was facing some error because there is some issue, and if we handle that exception, we can put the message box here that for which PDF there is an exception, we can handle that if required. And once the PDFs are downloaded, the file names will be shown here. Let's see. If I click, so whichever PDF is being downloaded, its name is showing here, the progress bar is updating, and once all the PDFs are downloaded, there is a list box which will be populated. As we see, it is populating, but it probably UI was not updating that way. We can improve that code. Okay, now those many PDFs has been out downloaded. If there is an error will show up here. Okay, if you click to a particular PDF like paper 2 of 2013, it will show here in this UI itself. You do not have to go to the folder where it is downloaded. Anyway, if you, in case you want to go to that, you can directly double click here and you can reach to that particular folder, and from there also you can open it if you want. But if you can do everything in the single interface, right, you do not have to navigate to any other folder in Windows or in something like that, right? Now you don't have to download every time if it is already downloaded. And if you run the application again, if the files are already present in this folder, it will be automatically populated in this list, and whenever you click it, you can see them. So using this kind of custom interface, you can see all the PDFs from your .NET interface itself. You do not have to open one by one file in Windows Explorer or something like that. Now, it can have many other applications, not only PDF, it can be any files, from images to video files to anything. If the uh, path of the file is in proper sequence, which you can automate using a loop or something like that, you can use this piece of .NET code. If you want to learn how to develop such kind of applications, like now this is a WinForm is a technology for designing user interface. There is another technology is called WPF. Both uses .NET actually, and there are some code that you can write either in C# or VB. Both are .NET compliant languages. You can actually use them, right? So if you want to learn to develop such kind of applications, you can contact me and join my courses. Thank you.